I'm Steve Fulco, General Manager of Sales Operations at Donaldsons, Volkswagen, and Subaru. And this is our customer waiting lounge when you come in for service. It's beautiful, it's clean, it's sanitized, it's ready to go. All according to the governor's orders in relation to COVID-19. Let me show you a little more. We have an award-winning service department, and we can service your Volkswagen and your Subaru at any time. We have quick lube, we have the best trained technicians on Long Island. Come on down, let me show you. This is our parts department. Everything you'll ever need for a Volkswagen or a Subaru here at Donaldsons. Our service department, when you come in, check out the Wall of Fame. These are all the employees that have been here for many years. It's our service manager, Bill Moran, been here over 15 years. All of our technicians are certified and trained and put out the best work possible. Find out why you meet the nicest people at Donaldsons, 5700 Sunrise Highway in Sayville.
Get yourself down to Donaldsons now.